Amid an intense campaigning by the political parties, the Election Commission of India has issued notices to Bharatiya Janata Party President JP Nadda and Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge over alleged Model Code of Conduct violation by their star campaigners. On Wednesday, the Election Commission of India asked Bharatiya Janata Party chief to instruct party campaigners to avoid making communal statements and asked Congress chief to issue notes to its campaigners to stop giving statements indicating that Constitution would be abolished. Election Commission of India has directed both the parties to correct their discourse, exercise care and maintain decorum. Congress has been asked to ensure that star campaigners do not make any statements which give false impressions such as the Constitution of India may be abolished or sold. On Agniveer, Election Commission has directed Indian National Congress campaigners and candidates not to politicize the defence forces and to not make potentially divisive statements regarding socio-economic composition of defence forces. Commission directed Bharatiya Janata Party and its star campaigners to refrain from religious and communal overtones in campaigning. Election Commission of India further asked Bharatiya Janata Party to stop campaign speeches that may divide society. The poll panel stated that technical loopholes or extreme interpretations of other political parties' utterances cannot discharge them from their core responsibility of their own content, which should be corrective to the ongoing discourse rather than further diminishing the quality of campaign discourse. They emphasized that elections are not only a contest to win but also an opportunity for political parties to present themselves in their ideal form for the voting community to experience, emulate and build hopes upon. The panel further noted that this aspect constitutes the more precious heritage of Indian elections and the electoral democracy, which should not be weakened by anyone, including the party.